Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've already unlocked your iPhone. Now start by opening Safari and going straight to Tab View. Tap the overlapping squares icon. This shows your open tabs as stacked or grid thumbnails. Once done, glance for the tab you want to close. You're looking at visual thumbnails so you can be precise. Make sure you're in the right window. Safari can have multiple windows because closing a tab in one window won't affect others. This step sets you up to remove the exact tab quickly. You can close one tab with a quick swipe across its thumbnail. That gesture removes it immediately. Alternatively, tap the small X on the tab's corner. This is precise when thumbnails are close together. If you need more control, long press the thumbnail to reveal options such as close other tabs or close tabs to the right. These help when you have many tabs and want to prune faster. Use the long press only when you know which tabs to keep, because bulk closures are irreversible in this view. After closing the unwanted tab, continue removing others or simply tap Done to return to the active web page. If you prefer separation, switch to private mode before opening new tabs so they don't mix with regular sessions. If Tab View becomes unresponsive, force close Safari by swiping up from the bottom and removing Safari from the app switcher. Then reopen and repeat the closure steps. This fixes temporary freezes and ensures you can close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.